हेलो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ मनीषा तोमर। इस पार्ट में हम बात करेंगे एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट्स के बारे में। एसिड्स क्या होते हैं? एसिड्स आर दो सब्सटेंसेस विच आर सोर इन टेस्ट. दे टर्न ब्लू litmus solution red. They have H positive ions in their aqueous solution because when they dipped in water they dissociate into H positive and anionic part. Term acid is derived from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Some strong acids are HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. Weak acids are organic acids like acetic acid, oxalic acid, and lactic acid. On the basis of concentration, we can classify acids in two categories. Concentrated acids having more amount of acid and less amount of water. Weak acids or dilute acids having more amount of water, less amount of acids. Next one is the bases. Bases are those substances which are bitter in taste and soapy in touch. टेस्ट में बिटर होते हैं और टेस्ट में टच करने में सोपी होते हैं. They turn red litmus solution blue. They contains OH negative ions in their aqueous solution like NaOH. On dissolving in water it gives Na positive and OH negative, such like that KOH and calcium hydroxide. Some weak bases are ammonium hydroxide. Weak bases are those which does not completely dissociate in water, while strong bases almost 95% or more than 95% dissolve in water into their constituent ions. Next one is the alkalis. Alkalis are those bases which are soluble in water like NaOH, KOH and calcium hydroxide. Hydroxides of first and second groups are called alkalis because all these are soluble in water. Salts. These are the compounds formed by the reactions of acid and bases. Those are called salts. Like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, iron chloride, aluminum chloride and sulfate, etc. Indicator. These are the substances which change their colors, smells in different types of substances. We have different types of indicators like natural indicators found in nature in plants like litmus, red cabbage, leaves, etc. Flowers of hydrangeas plant and turmeric. Synthetic indicators are those chemicals which gives different colors in different pH like methyl orange and phenolphthalein. These are called acid-base indicators. Next one is olfactory indicators. The indicators which indicate the different substances by their odors. They are acidic or basic. Like lemon juice, by the smelling of lemon or citrus fruit we can say these are the acids. Bases are soapy in taste. Olfactory acid indicators are clove, etc. Now we have different types of acids like litmus. It is smell, color in acidic medium. It is red in color in acidic medium, while in basic medium it is blue. Red kvass leaf extract, red in is acidic medium, green in basic medium. Next one is the flower of hydrangea plant, blue in acidic medium, pink in basic medium. Turmeric, no change in acidic medium, red in basic medium. Generally we see the soap. Phenolphthalein colorless in acidic medium while pink in basic medium. Methyl orange, red in color in acidic medium, yellow in the basic medium. Onion characteristic smell while in acidic medium, while in basic medium there is no smell. Vanilla essence retains smell in acidic medium, no smell in basic medium. Clove oil retains smell in acidic medium, loses its smell in basic media. So these are the different indicators on the basis of their colors and smells. Now properties of acids and bases. Reaction of metals with metals. When acids react with metals, they give salts and evolve hydrogen gas. This condition is applicable only reactive metals which are above of the hydrogen in the periodic table. So they can displace hydrogen from any acid. Like zinc when react with HCl it gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Bases react with metals give salt and hydrogen gas. Like when sodium hydroxide react with zinc it gives sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas released can be tested by bringing burning candle near gas bubbles. It bursts with pop sound because it is not combustible but it is supporter of the combustion. Reaction of metals, carbonates, metal hydrogen carbonate, etc. When metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate react with acids, they give base and metal carbonate, metal hydrogen. Here are some reactions when HCl reacts with sodium carbonate, HCl is acid, sodium carbonate is a base, salt plus CO2 plus H2. So HCl reacts with bicarbonate, NaCl, CO2 and H2. Calcium hydroxide, which is also known as slack lime, react with CO2, it gives calcium carbonate and water. And lime water. Lime water is the precipitate of calcium hydroxide. When excess CO2 is passed, milkiness disappears and we get calcium bicarbonate. Reaction of acid and bases with each other. Acid plus base react give salts and water and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. When strong acid react with weak base, it gives acidic salt and water. When weak acid react with strong base, it gives basic salt and water. When strong acid react with strong base, it gives neutral salt plus water, and weak acid react with weak base, it gives neutral salt, which are also known as general salts. Reactions of metallic oxides with acids. Oxides like calcium oxide, magnesium oxide are basic oxides. When these oxides react with salt, they gives salt and water molecule. Like calcium oxide, when react with HCl, it gives calcium chloride. Reactions of non-metallic oxides with bases. Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. CO2 plus calcium hydroxide gives calcium carbonate plus water. Reaction of acids. Metal carbonate plus salt plus CO2 plus water. We get different types of metallic salt and hydrogen and water or other gases. Reaction of bases. Same reactions are going on in bases, but bases cannot react with metallic carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. What do all acids and bases have in common? All acids have H positive ions in common while bases have OH negative ions in common. Acids or bases in water solution, they can dissociate into H positive and negative ions and form hydronium ions. Same as when hydroxide react with water, they give salt plus hydroxide ion. This is the reaction how we can express. Causes mixture of plus out. Now universal indicators. Universal indicators are those indicators which shows different colors in different solutions. Scale of 7 neutral, 7 less than 7 acidic or more than 7 basic. These are the some indicators. Next, compounds and pH value we will discuss in our next lecture wait and watch for next lecture, which will be very important for you. And in next part we will discuss previous year papers of different board examination. Okay, bye bye for today. Thanks for watching this video.